Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure retirement savings with Vanguard easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Vanguard website. If you do not have an account, click on Open an account to start the registration process. Choose the type of account you want to create, selecting Retirement Account from the options. Complete the personal information fields, including your name, address, and social security number. Create a username and password for your Vanguard account. Verify your identity by answering the security questions. Once registered, log into your account using your new credentials. Navigate to the Retirement section on the website's main menu. Select Retirement Savings to view the available plans. Choose the specific retirement account you want to configure, like an IRA or a 401k. Follow the prompts to start your account setup. Enter your employment information, including your employer's name and your job title. Decide how much you want to contribute to your retirement savings. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions by contributing at least enough to receive the full match. Review investment options offered by Vanguard, such as stock and bond funds. Select the funds that align with your retirement goals and risk tolerance. Consider diversifying your investments to balance risk. Adjust your asset allocation based on your time horizon and financial objectives. Finalize your contributions and investments by confirming your selections. Review the account summary to ensure all details are correct. Submit your application to officially configure your retirement savings. Keep your account information secure and monitor your investments regularly. Check for any available educational resources on the Vanguard website to enhance your understanding of retirement planning. Consider scheduling a consultation with a Vanguard advisor if you need personalized guidance. Stay informed about changes in retirement savings regulations that may impact your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.